morning, HOD Professor A.K. Chaturvedi sir. My seminar guide B.D. Gidwani sir, faculty members, examiners, and final year. My final year branch batchmate. I am Vishal Vaishnav, currently pursuing my bachelor degree in production and industrial engineering from University Departments, Rajasthan Technical University, Kota. Today, I am pleased to be here in front of you all to deliver the presentation of my seminar topic, Small Scale Industry. Introduction. The small scale industry today is immense for the growth of the country. Small scale industries are the industries which are run with the help of their labor and which also use some simple machine and power. The investment scale in the industry from 50 lakh to 1 crore for fixed asset, irrespective number of workers engaged in the small scale industry unit. In India, these types of industries are permitted to meet with problem of excess population and unemployment. So, the government of India prayed entrepreneurship to step up small scale industries by aiding him by giving loan, land, guidance, etc. Definition of small scale industry. Defining small scale industry is a difficult task because the definition of a small scale industry vary from country to country and from one time to another in the same country by industry. Small business are normally privately owned corporation, partnership or sole proprietorship, which constitute small in terms of government support and tax policy vary depending on the country and industry. Definition of small scale industry: an industrial undertaking in which the investment in fixed assets in plant and machinery, whether held on ownership term on lease or on hire purchase, does not exceed 10 million. According to SSI code, a unit employee less than 50% if power and less than 100% without the use of power and with the capital investment to be 5 lakh. How to start a small scale industry? Conduct a market survey and study the product as regard their depend in the market. Check whether it is a seasonal product or it has demand throughout the year. Selection of proper site for location the unit. Take a building for factory on hire on or construct your own factory building. Get yourself conversant with the rules and other information available from Small Scale Industry, Ministry of Industry, New Delhi. Prepare a scheme in detail to manufacture the select product. Such a scheme should include the requirement of and the approximate cost. Financial requirement. Since independence, Government of India has been giving all possible encouragement of SSI. A number of organizations has been set up by the Government of India to provide assistance and incentive to small scale industry. These packages of assistance are provided to SSI by a large number of organizations operative and at national and state level. Development programs are being carried out at two levels, national level and state level. Concept of marketing. Studies reveal the different organizations have different perception of marketing and these different perception have lead to the promotion of different concept of marketing. It is found that at least 5 distinct concepts of marketing have guided and are still guided business terms. They are exchange concept, production concept, product concept, sales concept, and marketing concept. Advantages of small scale industry. The following are the merits of small scale industry: close supervision, nature of demand, more employment, need of small capital, direct relation between the worker and the employers. Disadvantages of small scale industry: direct relation between the customer and the producer, easy management, freedom of work, external economy, possibility of strike lockouts. Disadvantages of small scale industry. The following are the demerits of small scale industry: high cost of production, wastage of byproduct, less use of machine, lack of division of labor, difficulty in getting loans, difficult to face economic crisis, costly raw material, lack of standardization, good, lack of research, old techniques. Characteristic of small scale industry. Labor intensive flexibility, one man show use of indigenous raw material, localized operation, leisure gestation period, education level, profit motivation. Type of small scale industry: manufacturing industry, ancillary industry, service industry, feeder industries. Role of small scale industry: dynamic and vibrant sector of the economy, prominent role in psycho-economic transformation of the country. Account of 35% of employment, SSI sector has overpassed of 6 prominent place in the psycho-economic development in the country. Thank you. Any question?
Yes, what kind of manufacturer are termed small scale industry?
Industries like leather manufacturing, bakery, photo studio, parlors, and the like come under small scale industries.
Okay.